Hey, it's Franken, man. So you've got a garage door opener, right? And every time you open it and close it, right as it reaches the apex, like up here towards the top, or even any point along the track, it just makes like noise, like a screeching noise, right? Or like a tension noise. What it could be happening, which it was with my case, is that you might have these be loose. These screws do kind of, or whatever, these bolts do come loose over time. So be sure to tighten these periodically. If you're hearing a screeching noise, it's because tension's happening here, and this is where, and these are potentially ripping away. So you're going to want to tighten these ASAP all along that, not the bottom ones that are red, because those are dangerous. Those are tensioned. You're not a professional. Don't touch those. But yeah, pretty much you're going to want to tighten these back onto the garage door, and you'll be good to go.